Hook, have you ever moved and realized you forgot to update your address with one of your financial institutions? It can be a real pain, especially when you're expecting important mail or trying to access your funds. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of changing your address with Ally Bank. Context: let's face it, moving can be stressful. Packing, unpacking, and dealing with all the paperwork can be overwhelming. But updating your address with your bank shouldn't be one of those things that adds to your stress. In fact, it's a pretty straightforward process. Main content: understanding the importance of updating your address. Why is it important to keep your address up to date with your bank? Potential consequences of having an outdated address, e.g., delayed mail, difficulty accessing funds. Online method: step-by-step guide on how to change your address online through Ally Bank's website or mobile app. Screenshots or screen recordings to visually demonstrate the process. Tips for navigating the website or app, such as using search functions or contacting customer support if needed. Phone method: instructions on how to call Ally Bank's customer service to update your address. What information you'll need to provide, e.g., old address, new address, account number. Tips for a smooth phone call, such as having your account information ready and being patient. Mail method: instructions on how to send a written request to Ally Bank to update your address. What information to include in the letter, e.g., old address, new address, account number. How to address and mail the letter. Additional considerations: what to do if you have multiple accounts with Ally Bank. How long it typically takes for the address change to take effect. What to do if you're having trouble updating your address. Tips for a smooth transition. Tips for organizing your move and ensuring a smooth transition, e.g., updating other accounts, forwarding mail. How to stay organized and avoid forgetting important steps. Call to action: recap the key points, briefly summarize the different methods of changing your address with Ally Bank. Encourage viewers to take action, remind viewers that updating their address is important and encourage them to do so as soon as possible. Closing: with that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, updating your address with Ally Bank is a simple process that can save you a lot of hassle in the long run.